So people nowadays, they are comparing today's Hyderabad with Bangalore 10 years ago. So is this comparison valid? Like,
No, I don't see any comparison between Hyderabad and Bangalore.
okay.
Each city has its own advantages. Hyderabad is big in terms of size, in terms of land availability, and the infrastructure side, definitely Hyderabad scores much better than Bangalore.
Yeah.
Bangalore is difficult now. If you go to Bangalore, if you want to attend a meeting, it takes an entire day.
Yeah.
Whereas in Hyderabad, you can do 3 to 4 meetings in a
Yeah,
single day.
because of traffic a
Yeah,
lot.
less traffic and
Yeah.
bigger roads, wider roads, better roads, basically.
Yes.
And city is expanding horizontally in Hyderabad,
Yes.
whereas Bangalore has become congested already.
Yeah.
The traffic is too high. If you know Bangalore,
It
you'll
takes a lot
understand that.
time,
But
exactly.
in Hyderabad, you see those high-end cars, luxury cars zooming in, zooming out
Yes.
regularly. So definitely, Hyderabad is much better when it comes to infrastructure. Our roads, our connectivity, or the land order is also good. And the third best thing in Hyderabad is the people.
Yeah.
People and food. People are very friendly. They're welcoming in nature, and the food is amazing here. You get food from everywhere, all over India.
That too healthy food everywhere.
I see a lot of migration is happening compared to Bangalore in the last 5 years, 6 years. Earlier, people used to go to Bangalore,
Yeah.
but now a lot of youngsters, Gen Zs, they like Hyderabad because of the food, the culture, the people,
it's
and the
very
kinds
cheaper.
of social infrastructure that is there, the kind of star hotels, the kind of schools that we have. Hyderabad has the best schools, IB curriculum, or
Correct.
CBSE or ICSE. If you see any school, schools, even airport is one of the best airport. The ring road, everything contributes to
It's
this
growing.
cities. No, I don't want to compare between Hyderabad, Bangalore.
Yeah.
Bangalore has its own advantage. The weather
Yes.
is good. And lot of IT companies started early at Bangalore, and a lot of R&D centers are there. Intellectual capital is there, but Hyderabad has its own, advantages. Since Telangana happened 2014, the Hyderabad has grown big.
Yeah. So
And moving forward, lot of infrastructure projects are coming up, like Outer Ring Road, metro train expansion, and future city. All these
Yes.
actually triggering Hyderabad real estate, where now people from other cities, other states also inquiring us to, invest in Hyderabad.
Hyderabad.
This never happened 4 years ago,
Yeah.
5 years ago.
Correct.
But now people are inquiring from other cities, saying that, we will invest in Hyderabad.
yeah, so there is no need of comparing.
Yes,
Exactly.
so we don't want to compare. Like Hyderabad, Bangalore are the top cities in India with a lot of intellectual capital, human capital, which is contributing the best GDP to the country.
Yeah.
And this is where top companies of the world are setting up their offices. If
Exactly.
they set up in Hyderabad, their second office will be in Bangalore, and if they set up Bangalore first, then coming to Hyderabad.
Yeah.
So the both states, both cities should work together to make things better.
Yes. So this is about the land. So will this impact apartments and commercial property in the prices?
No, definitely anything that happens in the city, core city, in terms of real estate, that triggers, at least 10 to 15 kilometers near surrounding areas.
Okay.
So definitely it will be an impact, positive impact as well as little negative impact. Positive impact, there will be more premium luxury segment places. Then we will have a better social infrastructure here. And people will come here to do business. So that will generate some income to the
Okay.
locals.
Yes.
Everything triggers, and the negative impact is definitely because of these kind of auctions, the nearby land prices go
Yes.
up, and the prices for also will go up because of this auction.
Everything.
In a way, it's good for investors, but for the end users, or the people who wants to purchase a home,
Apartments.
they will have to shell little extra amounts because of these auctions.
Prices, yeah. So apart from Kokapet and Raidurg, which are the places that investors are attracting? Like places are attracting investors.
See, that's a core city. The core premium luxury area is Madhapur, Gachibowli, Gandipet, Narsingh, Kokapet. But apart from this micro market, we have multiple micro markets which are emerging for investors as well as end users. The best next micro market is Kollur area. The
Okay.
Kollur, Pati, Ganpur, Velimala, Tellapur, Kopanpalli, these places have become the best places for residences as well as social infrastructure. People are moving there for, better housing because the prices are, quite 30 to 40% lesser than the core city.
Correct.
And the next best micro market in Hyderabad is south side Hyderabad, where you have Rajendra Nagar, Budwer, Shamshabad, up to Kukuda, because of the connectivity to Kokapet, Narsing. The next emerging micro market is Budwell to Kukuda areas on exit 14 onward because of the proximity to the airport, proximity to the Gachibowli.
Okay.
So now people are moving there. A lot of residential projects are coming up. A lot of schools are also coming up in that area. The next 5 years, 10 years, entire market will belong to these micro markets. Apart from this, even east side, Kompally area is also growing in terms of prices, in terms of social infrastructure, and it is growing like a residential segment for apartments or villas.
Okay.
And even places like LB Nagar, Uppal, those are also good locations for
Yeah,
investment or if for end use. If you don't belong to the IT, because fortunately or unfortunately, the entire stretch of IT companies are located in west side of the city, unlike Bangalore, where Bangalore majority of the companies are in different parts of the city. But whereas in Hyderabad, it's fortunate in a way. It's also unfortunate, so that other places are not growing, as big as these places. But definitely moving forward. The other parts of city like east side also will grow further. But last 15 years, those whoever invested in Hyderabad, they have made good money. Some of the places have, where the growth rate is more than 15-20% in a year. That kind of returns, all investors got when they have invested in plots or apartments.